Looking for the best dash cam for your vehicle? Whether you drive a car, van or truck, you'll find the best dash cams for every motorist in this list. We've reviewed, rated and ranked all of the top in-car cameras, so whatever you drive, you'll find your ideal option. 5. Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. Garmin's first dual-lens dash cam allows you to view what's going on both inside and outside the car while you are driving, which is handy for taxi drivers and others wanting to keep an eye on their passengers. Extremely compact in design, the Dash Cam Tandem features a clip-in magnetic mount and can be easily installed below the rear view mirror and removed when not in use. 4. Viofo A129 Pro Duo. We won't hold it against you if you've never heard of Viofo, because it certainly isn't the most recognized name in the dash cam business. The front camera is quite a bit bulkier than many rivals on this list, but it features a built-in GPS module, something that many other brands offer as an optional extra. Its plastic casing looks and feel basic, but it houses some rather trick technology that belies its overall build quality. 3. Garmin Dash Cam 66W. We've often rated the Garmin Dash Cam offerings for their ease of use, and new to the party is its concise line of cute, inconspicuous dash cams, which piggyback on the Mark's Action camera user interface but boast plenty of features that make them a valuable assistant on the open road. This more expensive and latest 66W unit is the one to go for in our eyes, simply because the inclusion of the massively wide 180-degree viewing angle lens makes it the master of capturing everything that's going on ahead, although there is some distortion at the very edge of the frame. 2. Nextbase 522GW. The Nextbase 622GW flagship above might be one of the most advanced dash cams you can buy, but the 522GW remains our top choice for all-round value. Thanks to a crisp 1440p resolution and wide-angle lens, it does the basics very well, but also throws in plenty of additional features. There is a responsive 3-inch touchscreen at the back, as well as the option of using the built-in Alexa functionality. Currently, users can ask Alexa to play music, place calls and listen to audiobooks through connected devices, but they'll soon be able to use an upcoming dash cam skill to command it to start recording, stop recording, protect a recording, and send to my phone. 1. Nextbase 622GW. Rather than being a replacement for the more affordable 522GW, see below, the 622GW is simply a new flagship dash cam. It brings much improved video quality, better stabilization and the inclusion of what 3 words geolocation services, which make it possible to pinpoint a stricken vehicle within a 3-meter radius.